FCU, Altitude Changes, Automation.
This is a recent FCN addressing the human-machine interface. Though we like to think of CRM relationships applying to pilots on the flight deck, CRM also applies to pilots and the automation systems as well. Let me expand on this concept. Every change the PF does on the FCU affects the situational awareness and workload of the PM as well. It should be apparent to you now that it's a three-point interface, which you are managing when you interact with the automatics. You are altering your perception and workload, the perception and workload of your colleague, and the perception and workload of the automation systems as well.
Chopper, can we practice in the simulator the FCN principles, so that we understand how tasks need to be done in series, rather than in parallel, as much as possible, so that as a crew we avoid errors and mitigate threats?
That is a very good idea, Captain Grumpy. I want our crews to reflect that as they interact with the TC, they now have 5 points of interface, as both crew members listen and could potentially understand the TC instructions in a different way. As workload increases during busy periods, and as a TC communications disrupt our flow of thinking, we need to have simple and robust procedures, which reduce the need for tasks to be done in parallel, so that we can reduce the severity of threats and prevent errors. As the old pilot instructors say, make time, make space. Let's see how that is done in the simulator.
Pause to reflect on what Chopper has said and then continue to the next video.